Random vlog, just saying good Wednesday. Almost lost track of days, man. But good Wednesday. I got some brush to remove. And being that I have a choice, guys, I'm gonna go out later this evening. It's an unoccupied home, so I'm gonna go out later this evening and get it. I may go live doing it. But other than that, man, I just want to say stay motivated, stay productive, stay positive. Fuck a hater, man. All right, guys, so I'm up here about to go ahead and clear the rest of the bull crap that I had in my backyard, man. So just sitting there. Woo. Hey, I need both gloves, though. I'm terrible with the gloves. Oh, here it is. All right. Let's get it, man. Hey. Wonder where that cool weather went to. Warmed up quick, man. Yeah. Man, yeah, man. Good workout for the day, I guess, you know. Nothing else. Yeah. Man, I gotta get that headache, boy, before I end up with a headache. Seen that jump, didn't you? Let them fall, baby. Ain't nothing like having a few bucks, though. Just sitting in the yard, you know what I mean? Gotta come get it off, dog. Get it on off of here. So the aluminum was 89 if I'm not tripping. Let it do it. Man. It's a dusty sucker, boy. All right, back to the scale, baby. Ain't no reason to complain. Quick 27 bucks.